Hi friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. We are going to discuss today a very important topic when a check is issued and if it gets bounced, what will be the consequences? The consequences we can see is under the section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. The consequences is that it becomes a criminal offense. Now let us understand the section 138 when the check is bounced. If the check is bounced and the person can take the following steps to secure himself, he has to issue a notice within 15 days of the date when the check is bounced. The drawer or the person issuing the check can face an imprisonment up to 6 months or double the check amount as a fine or both. Now let us understand the conditions which are required as all checks bounce does not lead to a jail. Certain conditions are there. The check must be issued for a legally enforceable debts or liability. It must be presented within 3 months of the date. A written legal notice must be sent to the drawer, that is, the person who has issued the check, within 15 days of the disorder. If the drawer does not pay within 15 days of receiving the notice, prosecution can begin. Let us now understand the important case laws. Kusum, Ingots versus Pennar Steels. Here, the Supreme Court held that Section 138 is a strict liability offense. Intention does not matter if the conditions are fulfilled. The next case is CC Alvi Haji versus Palapetty Muhammed. The court clarified that even if the drawer denies receiving the notice, the law presumes the service of notice once properly sent. The third case is meters and instruments versus Kanchan Mehta. It was held that compounding and settlement is allowed under the section 138 to reduce the burden on the courts. Jail is avoidable if the payment is made. So, if you have received the bound check, you are not helpless. You can file a criminal complaint under the section 138 and